Hey there! Ever wondered about the emotional and transformative journey within the Bible's Matthew, chapters 21 to 24? Let's dive in. These chapters capture a dynamic moment as Jesus enters Jerusalem, riding on a donkey, signaling his royal yet humble nature, fulfilling Zechariah's prophecy. In Matthew 21:9, the crowd shouts, "Hosanna to the Son of David," creating a powerful scene of messianic expectation. Yet, it's not all praise and celebration. Jesus soon cleanses the temple, rebuking its misuse, highlighting in 21:13, "My house will be called a house of prayer," a poignant reminder of devotion over commerce. The teaching deepens with the parable of the two sons and the tenants, urging genuine faith and portraying God's judgment, emphasizing accountability to God's message. As we move to chapter 22, we witness Jesus' intellectual might, confronting religious leaders. Through the Herodian trap about taxes, he wisely states in 22:21, "Give to Caesar what is Caesar's." In verse 37, he encapsulates the law, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart," which is cornerstone advice for any generation. Chapter 23 sizzles with rebuke as Jesus calls out the hypocrisy of religious leaders, highlighting authentic versus superficial faith. Verse 12 stands out, "For whoever exalts himself will be humbled." It's a profound call to humility, cutting across time and belief. Now, prepare for chapter 24, where prophetic visions unfold. Jesus predicts the temple's fall and speaks of the end times in vivid detail. Verses 6 through 7 note, "You will hear of wars and rumors of wars. Nation will rise against nation." His message is clear: stay vigilant and faithful. Each chapter is laden with lessons of integrity, love, and endurance against spiritual arrogance. They build an undeniable narrative of steadfast faith. These snapshots of Scripture challenge and inspire, making us question, where do we stand today?
Thanks for joining this exploration. Dive deeper for more profound revelations.